I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use NHANES Data. The National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, or NHANES, is a vital program assessing the health and nutritional status of adults and children across the United States. This unique survey combines detailed interviews with comprehensive physical examinations and laboratory tests. Data collection began in the early 1960s, transitioning to a continuous program in 1999. Each two-year cycle surveys approximately 5,000 individuals, providing a rich, ongoing snapshot of public health. Accessing NHANES data is straightforward for public use files. You can directly download these datasets from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention website. The data is conveniently organized into 5 main categories: demographics, dietary, examination, laboratory, and questionnaire. For those using statistical software, specialized R packages, such as NHANES A, offer efficient ways to retrieve and manage this information. However, certain sensitive data, like precise geographic details, are restricted and require an approved application to a research data center. Understanding the structure of NHANES data is key to effective use. Data is typically released in two-year cycles and often comes in SAS XBT format. A critical element for researchers is the unique sequence number, or SECN, assigned to each participant, which allows you to merge different data files seamlessly. Always begin with the demographic dataset, as it provides foundational information for all respondents. The variables within NHANES are extensive, covering everything from health conditions and dietary intake to environmental chemical exposures. When analyzing NHANES data, it is crucial to remember its complex survey design. This means you must use specialized statistical procedures to ensure your findings are valid. Correctly applying sample weights is absolutely essential for generating accurate population estimates. You will also likely need to perform data cleaning and merge several files to create your analytic dataset. Ultimately, researchers leverage NHANES data to understand disease prevalence, assess nutritional status, and inform public health policy and programs across the nation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.